Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Amazon Fire Stick users, pay attention. There is an app available for the Fire Stick. You don't need your remote anymore. They've improved it recently and I wanted to bring it to you right now and show you how to use it. Let's do it right now. All right, so let's say you have a remote like this right here and your batteries die and you can't find any batteries. You're in a pinch. You need to figure out how to control your Fire Stick. Well, this app will do that. Also, if your remote gets unsynced, well, now how do you sync it back to your device? Or if you replace your remote with another remote, how do you sync that remote when your remote's not working anymore? That's where this app comes into play. Plus, if you're searching for something, say in YouTube, you can search for it much faster with a full keyboard. You just type it right in on your phone. It also has hot buttons where you can just go right to your apps that are installed. I'm going to show all that to you right now. Let's get in on the TV. All right, I got you in on the screen there on the right-hand side. You'll notice my phone with the Fire TV app in the upper left-hand corner. Behind it, you will have the TV that I'm about to take control over. Now, where do you find this app? It's in the App Store, whatever app store you have on your phone. Go ahead and click it and type in Fire TV. Once you typed in Fire TV, you will notice there are a lot of apps that control your Fire Stick, but there's only one you're going to want, and that's the official Fire TV app right there. Go ahead and download it on your device and hit open. Once you open it up, you'll get a screen just like this and all of your Fire devices will be listed. Now, if you only have one Fire Stick, no problem. Quick and easy. Click on it. The 4-digit number will pop up on your TV, 4 boxes on your phone, and you'll just type in that same number and have complete control. It doesn't show up, hit that plus new devices at the bottom and do the same process. Once you do that, go ahead and open up by clicking on the Fire device that you just connected to. And here is your remote. Just like that, you're going to have complete control now over your device. If you move right, you move left, back right, down, up. Doesn't matter where you move, you have complete control, just as if you had a regular Fire Stick remote, but it gets better. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice 4 boxes. Click that right there, and you have shortcuts to all of your apps. Talk about easy, so easy. Also at the top, you'll notice a microphone. If you pull that down, you'll be able to talk into your phone just like you would with a Fire Stick remote. So it's really nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the YouTube app really quick just to show you how the keyboard really is just magical on something like this. You can type so fast. So let's just search for something. Let's just search in, I don't know, I love Curiosity Cafe. Now look how fast as you're typing that it pulls up. Now there are all of my videos right there. If you type it all the way out, you can actually go down and go to search if you want to go that way as well, just by using your control pad and clicking search, and you'll be able to see all my videos right there. But as you were starting to type it, you noticed it popped up as well, and you could just scroll down and access it that way as well. But let's just say, for example, you were going to type it in the normal way you would with the remote. Look how slow that is, moving that cursor around like that, trying to type that, when you could just use the keyboard, and it's just so much faster. Now, if you hit settings, you will notice there is a sleep button, which is really nice, as well as a settings button. So if you go to Fire TV settings, this is where you can have access. And if you want to reconnect your remote that died or a new remote that you got, you'd use this app to be able to do that. So it's really convenient. And you will notice all the buttons here. You've got the hamburger button, you've got the back button, you've got play, fast forward, rewind. You've got all kinds of controls on here, and I'll let you play with it and kind of learn everything about it. All right, I know this was a quick video. I just want to introduce you to the Fire TV app. If you have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. It really is a nice app. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up with your device, and it's a convenient option for you, especially if you're searching for a lot on the internet. If you're using the different apps that are available on your Amazon Fire Stick where you have to type more often, this is a better solution for you. Thanks again for watching our videos. If you have any questions, again, comment down below. Give it a thumbs up if you liked our video, and don't forget to subscribe and make sure you check out our other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. I just want to give a big thank you to those of you that took time out of your day to watch this video. If you'll do us a huge favor, if you haven't already done so, just hit that subscribe button right next door. And if you like this video and you want to see more, we have a video on the far side there we think you're going to love. Thanks again for watching our video. Bye.